Today, we're going to show you how you can revolutionize your experience of traditional window cleaning with UNGER's ErgoTec NINJA products and their amazing features. Let's start with the UNGER ErgoTec NINJA Window Squeegee. It's available in a range of sizes from 20 cm to 105 cm. ErgoTec NINJA is the premium product for true window cleaning and commercial cleaning specialists. Cleaning specialists have confirmed that this is without a doubt the best window squeegee in terms of quality and handling, especially thanks to the wide squeegee channels. Let's take a closer look at the squeegee handle. After all, you have it in your hand all day long, so it has to be perfectly designed. See how this one is rather top-heavy? This automatically gives you more contact pressure on the window pane. The handle is made of non-slip material, because when you're cleaning windows, you often get the cleaning agent on your hands. Thanks to the non-slip coating, you'll always keep a firm grip on this window squeegee. By the way, the handle is available in two different head tilt versions: 30 degrees and 40 degrees. The 40-degree version is ideal for use with telescopic poles. One feature cleaning specialists really love is that you can switch the window squeegee to the swivel function at the touch of a button. This is especially handy when cleaning harder-to-reach windows, especially with your hand, or if you want to connect the ErgoTec NINJA Window Squeegee to a pole. Simply unlock the channel and adjust the squeegee angle at will to get a little added height or reach. Or if you're using it on a pole, you can set the angle that works best for you and swivel the squeegee across the entire window pane. There is also a small hole on the underside of the handle, which is where the squeegee clicks into the safety cone on UNGER's telescopic poles. The cone clicks securely into place and doesn't move or twist, which is particularly important to ensure safe, high-quality work, as well as when you're in swivel mode. Let's look at how to install and remove the squeegee channel. The NINJA Window Squeegee is equipped with a unique tri-lock system on its handle. It has a special safety feature. As a first step, you simply lift the tri-lock lever up to unlock the system. You still can't remove the channel in this position. If you press the raised lever down again, the squeegee channel is released. Now you can remove and replace the squeegee channel. If you're going to fit a new squeegee channel, look for the two small star markings. These will help you to position the squeegee channel in the center. The squeegee channel itself is made of high-tech T6 aluminium, also known as aircraft-grade aluminium. It is very sturdy and robust. It doesn't bend, and it is also completely rust-proof. In short, extremely durable. One of the features that makes NINJA channels stand out from the competition are these plastic clips at either end. They provide an easy-to-use locking and unlocking feature, and because they are made of plastic, they offer an added safety bonus. They protect window frames from damage. When working with metal, aluminium or brass channels that aren't equipped with protective ends, you can end up damaging the window frames, for example if the rubber is cut a little too short or if you press too hard against the frame. Good to know. It's easy to tighten the squeegee rubber thanks to the smart clips. To do this, simply loosen one side, pull out the squeegee rubber a little, and then tighten the smart clip again. This is important because you can use the NINJA Squeegee's channels in two positions: the upper one and the lower one. For short and normal-size squeegee channels, use the lower position. For really long squeegee channels or for use on large window surfaces, slide the channel into the upper position so that it sits a little higher and you can see more rubber above the channel. This ensures better adhesion to the glass when working with longer squeegee channels. Inserting the squeegee rubber into the UNGER NINJA Squeegee channel is probably quicker and easier than with any other squeegee. All you have to do is unclip the clips on each side and the rubber slides in and out with ease. And you don't need to worry about wetting the channel or the rubber with soap or water to make sure it works properly. That's not necessary at all. Before you fix the rubber in the channel again, All you have to do is center it in the correct position. Then simply tighten the clips on both ends. Done. Cleaning specialists confirm that the Ninja window squeegee slides better than any other. The key difference is that the squeegee rubber in the Ninja Squeegee channel has a bit of give. So you can apply a lot of pressure and the squeegee still glides with wonderful ease over the glass and achieves excellent results.